Joe, you know who was in the kitchen? We don't have to introduce the kitchen manager. I am the one and only sous chef. This is 110 good. Really good for you. Look at these vegetables. Eat them. Vegetables are good for you. I made this peanut butter paste, which is peanuts. I don't know why you call them paste, but it's peanuts with beef and matoke, which is banana. And we have our greens. I cannot sum it up. It's pretty good. Ooh. Bon appetit. See you later. I'll let you know how it went. We are trying CJ's vegan pizza. It looks pretty good. I hope it tastes as good. And I'm having a peach. It's really good actually. Bon appetit. This is going down. I feel like I've been starving for a few days. And this is the ultimate comeback. Let's see what we can do with it. Bon appetit. Thanks be to God.